Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can use CapCut templates. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So this method is for both laptop and PC, so it's gonna be the same. So first up, you can see the app CapCut that you have downloaded. So if you open it up here, as you can see on the app, you'll be able to see something like this. But if it's not something like this, here you'll be able to see in this area your templates option. But if you don't see it, I have a solution for it. So if your CapCut is like this, what you can do is simply head over to web browser. I'll show you that in a second. But if you have the the template option on of CapCut right over here easily, so you can just do it directly from here, and the method is same overall. So for those who don't have the CapCut template option on the app, what you can do is just simply head over to your web browser like this, and you need to go to CapCut.com, and you need to sign in, and it will bring you to this right over here. You can just simply type in CapCut online and it will bring you to this right over here. And right over here you'll be able to see templates. So if you press on templates here, as you can see, there are many templates that you can use. So using template is very easy. You can just simply choose the template right over here, and you'll be able to see the option of use this template. Just go ahead and use this template right over here, and here you go. Now you can just simply upload your own footage to it and your own media, and it will do the process of the template and will work for you the same way. They both work like the same on the app and the online version, so it's pretty much the same. So yeah, it's like this. You just need to upload your footage into it. It's simply like that, and you'll be able to use templates. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.